Today we're gonna play the strongest battleground. The most cringiest game in the world.
No.
Yeah.
Shut up or I'm gonna clap your booties.
Then clap it. Oh.
Today I got a Game Pass, but I'm not gonna show you what Game Pass it is.
I already know. Me too.
Don't say it.
It's a Game Pass called Dragon. It's with the Bacon Squad. Ouch! The Bacon Squad. Yeah, of course.
This is what I got. My yacht is floating right now. Another day, another Saitama game.
Hello, girl.
I'm gonna use Saitama for this one.
Gamay
Even
na
though I'm
ko.
in my private server.
Kapit naman ko
But I don't know
It
what
has
type of
dragon's
I'm
blood.
using.
Itong ay dragon na purple. Yeah, of course it is. Yeah, he has dragon's purple. Dragon's decent. He got his Game Pass is dragon.
But you don't know my other Game Pass. You snitch.
But I said it to them.
Yes, then you're a snitch.
Yeah. No, hindi naman sa net.
Snitch si Joseph.
Hindi. No, kaka-iPad ba? Hoy! Hoy! Skateboard!
Bro. 3, 2, 1.
I don't like strongest battlegrounds. I don't like that. Yeah, cringy. Yeah, it's a cringy.
Nya, bulaan mo nakadula. One time pa man si Joseph nya. Nano kay baluman mo?
It's a crayon.
Nya, ikaw yam kay balo ka na no.
Uy, what?
No, bisog dili ka balo na ano mo. Ingon siya.
Sige. Ano ka diri? Mo! 5, 6, 7,
What?
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Reset ra. There. Ha? Reset. Kaya mabalik ka. Yun, i-press mo. Ay, tara. Ay, ibalik ka. Ay, Patay ra.
I don't know what the punishment to set
To the base. Tere?
What is the finisher of the vanishing keep?
I don't like
Let's
Dili na lang kasi Basap.
Di ang kikupot yun yam. Ingkot dami. Dami akong kuan.
Reset ra. Okay. Reset. Ay, leave mo ang taulingon. There. Ako naman si mama for cell phone. Here. Hi! Hindi ka pa sa phone set? Ay, nagpapin ko dyan. Nga. I don't like strongest battlegrounds. Patay ra. Okay.
Then, kuan. Dede, mo ganahan ni kuan. Ni kinsa to.
Kinsa.
Si kuan. Ay, nalimot ko.
Dili mo kulayan niya. Bati.
Ay, dede kalahan. Dede kalahan niya.
Dili mo kulayan niya.
Kibaw ka kinsa.
Gali, pero kay balo ka kinsa. Di kulayan niya.
Gali, pero kay balo ba ka kinsa.
Agay, manaklog man ka!
Ning anir gali ko. Wala ko nanuklod.
That still counts as tuklog.
Ning
Sorry.
ani mong ko.
Sorry.
Wala ko to giduot.
Napangga ko! Napangga ko sir!
Roar! If you enjoyed today's video, like and subscribe. I'm gonna write something though.
Why? Say. Reset. Reset. Ay, di balik mga ko. Ay. Sige na, manggol. Huh? Tayo. Jump. Oh!
Goodbye.